Good morning from the Universal Orlando Resort. Today is Friday, July 24th, 2026, and crews were hard at work last night. It looks like they got a couple pieces of track up over Music Plaza last night and maybe some other additional supports. Let's head on over to the site and take a deeper look.
Next to the side of the column over there, you can see one of the flames.
Looks like crews have installed the evacuation catwalks. These are positioned higher so that it makes it easier for team members to evacuate the vehicles if they ever need to. The catwalks below are more specifically for the maintenance team. We still have a lot of conduit and scaffolding to put up. Crews are currently removing a support pier that was incorrectly positioned. As you can see, that flange right there isn't connected. The support piece is off to our right, but they're actively removing this support pier so that they can recast it in the correct position. This is the support column that needs to go in that location. More wiring installation going in this morning. Crews are also installing what appears to be a retaining wall underneath the spike area. Our new track peaking above. Looks like crews are making final adjustments to the two pieces they placed last night. Let's take a quick look at Category 10 going in over at CityWalk. There really isn't much going on yet. I don't expect to see any steel work or anything vertical for quite a while yet. Just pushing dirt around.
Ladies and gentlemen, Orlando Resort, this is the Stars Performance Program. We get to see this amazing group of kiddos today. It is the
Well, that's it over at Fast and Furious for now. We're going to head over to Islands of Adventure and check out the Lost Continent to see if Poseidon's Fury has any visible changes on the front side. Over by Seuss Landing, it already looks like the construction walls on our little bypass are finally gone. We have a new water fountain. Over at Mythos, we are back to a trickle. Well, it doesn't look like we have much going on at the front, but we still have two excavators over near the 2 feet that used to be standing, likely just finishing some groundwork. In the next several days, this front half should start getting taken down. Over by the Sinbad Theater area, there isn't any kind of movement today.
Oh yeah?
Team members are saying that Hagrid's is down right now, which it has been doing the past several days. Using ParkScope, you can check the reliability in the morning, and it will help you make a better decision on whether you actually go over here to Hagrid's right away or not. Well, they are not letting anybody into the queue, so that means it is likely down for a bit and not due to something operational. Well, with Hagrid's down this morning, we're going to walk on over and check out Velocicoaster and see what its wait times are currently at. So Velocicoaster has a longer wait than I would like to wait at. Right now it's showing at about an hour because of Hagrid's being down. They're sending everybody over to Velocicoaster instead. So we'll give it a ride another day. So River Adventure has not really seen any updates over the past several days. I don't expect to see anything different over the next couple of days. So I don't think we're gonna head over there and really do a check-in. So let's head back on over to Hard Rock, and we should have some better lighting for Fast and Furious at this point. Looks like we have some more cable trays delivered. Back over near the Music Plaza area, or possibly the station area, we have a crane in the air. Hard to tell from this perspective. Well, let's head over into studios and see what we can see by Music Plaza. Over by Minions, there's not much going on, same as it was 2 days ago. We have the first half of the span completed. Man, that wave turn is banked real hard. It does also appear that we have another support column that should get installed here. We do see a flange up at the very top of the wave turn. So there'll be a couple added supports likely before they put in the other half. Right here you can see a mounting point for a proxy, which will tell the ride control system that the train has cleared this first element. Let's head on over by the station building and see what's changed. I'm not really expecting too much though, because this kind of work is very slow. It's more for concrete, queue. We won't really see much theming until a couple months down the line. we're going to make a little walk around studios to check up on Halloween Horror Nights updates, as the park did announce Fort Nightmare is coming to the park as one of the scare zones. So let's go take a look at its progress. Looks like a couple props have been added, but otherwise not too much. We have several different fans, lighting, and fog machines placed throughout. These are new in the last several days. And it looks like they added a little bit of color around the base of the lighting trusses. Otherwise, that's about it over here. Back over in this scare zone. Doesn't look like too much has been updated or changed. But I do want to point out a fun element is on this set piece, this right here seemed to look like roller coaster track. For those who know, it looks like Aero Track or Vekoma. Well, friends, that's going to do it from the Universal Orlando Resort for today's Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift construction update. As you can see, we had several different track segments added to finally span the Music Plaza, or at least one half of it. We definitely expect them to complete that here overnight. So definitely subscribe and like this channel so that you see all the latest updates, as we'll probably have a video coming out tomorrow as well. Also, be sure, since clearly it's going to be a busy day, download the ParkScope app to keep tabs on crowd trends, attraction wait times, show times, and more. Available right now on the Apple App Store. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.